How to change iPhone photo to JPEG. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the icon in the middle. As you can see, the photo is in the HEIC format. Go back to the photo and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then, tap on Copy. Now, go back and open up the Files application. Here, go to On My iPhone. Scroll down and open the folder you want to save the file to. Once you're here, long press on any empty area of the screen and select Paste. You have now pasted the photo you just copied to this folder. Open the photo and tap on the Share icon at the bottom left. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. Scroll down and tap on Save Image. Then, go back and open up the Photos application again. You will find the photo you just saved over here. Open the photo and tap on the icon below as shown. As you can see, this photo is now in the JPEG format. Following these steps, you can easily change iPhone photo to JPEG.